Action!
Hello. Hello there in Korea. Good morning. It's here in Canada. It's afternoon. My name is Romy and I'm from the Philippines. And we're the best friend of Jane and Lily. And we're here a while ago, almost an hour ago. And she asked me because I said something. I have something issue in my body, and Dr. Pak gave instruction to her to check what the issue is. And now I have this Denacel that was patched in part of my arms, in part of my back, and it works well because yesterday I cannot put my arms like this. I cannot use my right arm to feed myself, but now I can do it like this. Put it on my
Put it up.
yeah, high as this. Before I can just like this. So I was very thankful that Jane was here. Otherwise, it won't be like this in my body. So Dr. Pak, thank you so much for your help. And I really, really appreciate it. And maybe one day, who knows, we'll just drop by there in Korea and see you in person.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.